War is constantly evolving, and military engineers must keep up, finding new technologies to provide greater support to soldiers on the front lines. But how far have they come? What are the most advanced vehicles? And what does it take to create the ultimate shield on wheels? Today we'll answer all these questions, exploring 10 incredible armored military vehicles in the world. From the battlefields of the future to cutting-edge civilian protection, armored vehicles have come a long way in military industry. But before we start our journey, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss a video. And now, let's dive in. Number 1. Buren Light Armored Vehicle. The Buren Light Armored Vehicle, first showcased at the MAX 2017 exhibition, stands out for its modular design, allowing it to be adapted for various missions by replacing the rear mission module. The front houses an armored cabin accommodating the driver, commander, and 4 soldiers, each with their own door. The armor offers protection against 7.62mm armor-piercing bullets from an SVD sniper rifle, though it lacks mine protection. Powered by a YAMZ 53442 4-stroke diesel engine with 135 horsepower, the Buren can reach speeds up to 62 mph and has a range of 870 miles. The vehicle weighs 19,400 pounds and supports a maximum payload of 2,650 pounds. It measures 19 feet in length, 7.4 feet in width, and 7.7 feet in height. Number 2. Falcatus. The Falcatus, also known as the Punisher, has been used in special operations and training exercises by the FSB-TSSN since 2012. Detailed specifications remain classified, reflecting its strategic importance and the sensitive nature of its deployment. This armored tactical vehicle is believed to be developed from the Zeal futuristic assault wagon concept. It serves multiple roles, from a tactical personnel carrier in urban missions to a light attack vehicle capable of breaching enemy fortifications. Resembling Bruce Wayne's Batmobile, the Falcatus is an aggressive-looking armored personnel carrier. Weighing 26,400 pounds, it is built on the Kamaz Master platform with a 4-wheel drive system and powered by an 8-cylinder engine producing over 700 horsepower. Number 3. Inkas, Sentry Tactical Intervention Vehicle. The Inkas sentry vehicle is a highly specialized armored vehicle equipped with a vertical assault ramp system tested by special units worldwide. This system can be raised and lowered, making it ideal for special operations such as storming buildings, airplanes, buses, rail vehicles, overcoming fences, and providing positions for snipers. Designed as a reliable, secure transport, the Sentry supports the vertical assault ramp with customized features both internally and externally to meet specific needs. It is engineered to be a dependable bulletproof SUV for various operations. The vehicle's high suspension allows it to navigate multiple terrains effectively, regardless of the mission. Armoring solutions like Hutchinson run-flat tires, an armored rear bulkhead, and reinforced suspension ensure passenger safety. Number 4. Kronos Submarine. The Kronos, a prototype unveiled at the IDEX 2023 Defense Exhibition in Abu Dhabi, is being developed by Ukrainian designers at the UAE-based Highland Systems. Resembling a stealth aircraft, the Kronos stands out for its agility, capable of performing a full 180-degree turn at maximum speed, a feat unmatched by other underwater drones. Highland Systems claims that just 6 Kronos drones could effectively control the Black Sea. Designed for rapid diving to depths of up to 820 feet, the Kronos can also operate in shallow waters. It can remain submerged for up to 54 hours or 18 hours on battery-only mode. Equipped with 6 Black Scorpion torpedoes, it achieves a maximum underwater speed of 27 knots, comparable to the U.S. Los Angeles-class nuclear submarines. This speed and maneuverability make it difficult to destroy in combat. Number 5. Armored Polaris ATV LD-1. The LD-1, developed by the Armored Group in collaboration with T.C. Burton Enterprises, represents a breakthrough in mobile ballistic protection. Built on the sturdy Polaris Sportsman 850 Premium, the LD-1 offers NIJ-3 standard protection, making it a reliable choice for high-risk environments. Designed for speed and agility, this armored ATV excels in navigating tight and challenging terrains while ensuring top-level safety for its occupants. Engineered to meet rigorous demands, the LD-1 combines robust construction with advanced armoring solutions, making it ideal for missions requiring both mobility and security. Whether used for patrolling, reconnaissance, or rapid response, the LD-1 provides a specialized armored solution that prioritizes the safety of personnel and assets. Number 6. FNSS MAV. The FNSS Marine Assault Vehicle is an advanced amphibious vehicle designed for high mobility, both in water and on land. With a unique hull design and powerful water jets, it can reach speeds of 7 knots in water and 43 mph on land. Its self-righting ability ensures stability in harsh sea conditions, making it capable of operating in various environments, from seaborne missions to land operations alongside main battle tanks and mechanized units. The MAV offers superior ballistic and mine protection compared to its predecessors and is equipped with cutting-edge mission equipment. FNSS is among the few NATO suppliers with a hot production line for such vehicles, emphasizing their unique capability. The MAV is fitted with the KAKA remote-controlled turret, which provides water resistance, lightweight construction, enhanced protection for the gunner, and advanced features like automatic target tracking, stabilization, and increased usable interior volume. Number 7. Rebo Rack Tractor. The Rebo Rack, a collaborative innovation by German farm machinery company Rebo and defense manufacturer Rheinmetall, offers advanced protection for agricultural operators in high-risk areas. Unlike typical tractors, the Rebo Rack features a matte military brown color, bulletproof glass, and armored steel, making it a standout at Agritechnica in Hanover, Germany. Designed for use near military training centers and other dangerous zones, the Rebo Rack ensures the safety of operators from landmines and flying bullets, concerns not usually associated with farming. The armor meets NATO's STANAG Level 2 standards, providing protection against bullets and explosive fragments. Number 8. Plasan Garter. The Garter is a composite armored vehicle designed by Plasan of Israel, built on a commercial MAN SE 444 chassis. It features a spacious composite steel hull with STANAG 3 armored protection, capable of carrying a payload of up to 7,700 pounds. With a combat weight of 44,000 pounds and a curb weight of 37,000 pounds, the Garter can accommodate up to 22 troops in its protected capsule, along with 2 crew members. This capsule can be configured for various roles, including a command post or medical facility, making it highly versatile. Originally designed to replace the Masari Centurion for the military police of São Paulo state, the Plasan Garter is specifically adapted for civil disorders control activities. It was developed in collaboration with the 2nd Riot Battalion Anchieta and the 3rd Riot Battalion Humaitá. The vehicle's design includes a single cabin that integrates the front and rear compartments, an engine compartment, and armored glass, ensuring comprehensive protection for its occupants. Number 9. Straight Cobra. The Cobra is a 444 armored personnel carrier designed and manufactured by Strike Group, based on the Toyota Land Cruiser 200 series. This APC combines a ballistic steel monocoque body with a mild steel inner floor and underbody blast protection, making it suitable for modern armed forces and law enforcement in various operational scenarios where agility and protection are paramount. The Cobra can accommodate up to 9 individuals, including the driver and commander, and its modular design allows for rapid deployment and easy maneuverability. With impressive 4x4 off-road capabilities, the vehicle features independent suspension and differential locking, enabling it to traverse challenging terrains effectively. Developed to enhance mobility, combat effectiveness, and survivability, the Cobra APC is also designed for transport by military aircraft, such as the C-130. Number 10. Salamander AFV. The Salamander is a versatile 8x8 armored fighting vehicle designed for various missions, including peacekeeping operations and convoy escorts. Its impressive power and handling make it ideal for both rural and off-road deployment. Capable of navigating hard surface roads, dirt tracks, and wet gaps, the Salamander 8x8 is essential for transport in flooded areas and disaster-stricken regions, facilitating evacuations and the transport of rescue equipment. The vehicle can be equipped with advanced features such as a remote-controlled weapon station, night vision high-speed cameras, and a fully integrated intercom system. Powered by a robust 6.7L turbo diesel engine that delivers 300 horsepower, the Salamander 8x8 ensures reliable performance across diverse environments. And there you have it, folks. These were 10 incredible armored vehicles that truly push the boundaries of design and efficiency in military industry. From high-speed tactical units to versatile transports, these machines are redefining protection and mobility. Which armored vehicle surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive into cutting-edge military technology, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting content. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore more amazing innovations that shape our world. Until next time, stay safe and keep your curiosity alive.